So once you've installed Redshift and you've restarted Cinema 4D, you'll see that we've got some new options and menus available to us. If we go up here, you can see we've got a new Redshift menu. This lists a couple of Redshift objects here. We've got our Redshift lights, various Redshift cameras. We've got our Redshift materials here, both sort of standard materials, light materials, a couple of utilities, and also some useful conversion scripts. We've got our Redshift render view below that, a few different managers, things like the asset manager and the AOV manager. And right at the bottom we've also got our Redshift preferences. If we go down here to the material manager, under create, you can see we've got a new Redshift menu, and we can also create our materials here as well. Up here I've got a camera created, and if I select this and go to tags, down to Redshift tags, you can see we've got two tags here. So the Redshift camera obviously controls our camera. This gives us access to things like motion blur, the camera type. We've got exposure controls and also tone mapping controls. We've got bokeh controls. You might also know this as depth of field. And we've also got a section for doing camera distortion. If I go up here and create a cube, I'm just going to right click on that and go down to Redshift tags and choose Redshift object. So you've also got this object tag, which can be used to control certain aspects of our geometry, things like its visibility, whether it's visible to shadows, reflections, GI, things like that. It's got a geometry section for things like tessellation and displacement, and also things like matte overrides, object ID, motion blur, and some exclusion.